Hey, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And it's really good to have some good call to actions here that really helps with some conversion. Something I am noticing here is that there's not enough content on the website. And the reason you want more content is because Google has crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7, and they're looking through this content here, and they're seeing what keywords are embedded in that content. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your main page here, and then those keywords without. One example of a good keyword would be Foundation Repair Tulsa. So this is something that's being searched multiple times a month. This first thing here, this is called the Google Map Pack. And so you want to be in the top 3 here because 30 to 40% of business goes in here. And the way to outrank these other businesses in this section is you want to have a Google business profile, and you want to make sure you have more citations than these businesses, as well as good 5-star reviews and photos. And if we scroll down here, so this is considered the organic listing. And so you want to be in the top 3 here as well. And usually people just skip right over things like Angie's List or BBB. And so the top 3, Eden's. And I didn't see your website on the first page here. So we definitely want to make sure you get on this first page. Most people don't like to scroll down, let alone past that first page. So let's take a look at why Eden Structural's website is ranking so high in this section. So if we take a look at their website, they have some good call to actions as well, but they also do not have enough content. So let's take a look at the back end of their website. So Eden Structural is plugged into Ahrefs, and these ratings here are given by Google. So the UR and the DR, this is just power and trustworthiness of the site. And what makes that up are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy, which will bring these numbers down, and some are good quality, which will bring them up. And then they have over 10,000 keywords. Let's take a look at your website. So right now there's not enough data for the UR, and there's a 0 DR. And no data with this either, and then 0 keywords. So let's take a look. What we could do is we can go into here and see the backlinks that Eden Structural has, and then just link those referring domains to your website, because if it's working for them, it's going to work for you all. And we also want to add some keywords to your site. So if we go into Eden Structural here, they have these keywords on their site, which is bringing them traffic. And let's find some buyer intent ones. So Foundation Repair Tulsa, $400 a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, $350. And the list just goes on and on. They're also ranking for some keywords that aren't really buyer intent, but if we could get you ranking for some buyer intent keywords, that'd be a lot of people, some new eyes on your site, and the more people that see your site, the more people that are converted into your customers. So if you'll add more verbiage, more content onto your site, put some keywords on your site, because right now there's not any keywords on there. You want to make sure you have these buyer intent keywords, and then rank in the Google Map Pack section, and then you'll get a lot more leads and customers. And if you need any help with that, just let me know, and I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.